about communication. So what is communication and how important is communication? So anyone can answer me what is communication? Yes, Miss Tolentino? Do you have any idea what is communication?
a message moves from one person to another. The channel is the medium or vehicle by which we are able to transmit the message to the recipient.
Okay, thank you. So when we say channel, it is the vehicle. Example of vehicle is when you are sending to a letter to someone. The letter there is the vehicle to send a message. Or example is phone calls, text, or radio. That is the channel. Then receiver. The receiver gets the message channeled by the source or information in a one-way communication process. He is the other end. So when we say communicate a receiver, that is the one who receives the message from the sender or the source. Okay, so let's proceed to the feedback. The feedback is defined as the response the receiver has on the message that has been delivered to it. So when we say feedback, this is the one who responds. Feedback is the one who responds the message to you. Example, if you are talking, when someone talking to you, then she is responding to your message. That is his feedback. Then, noise. Noise may be occur anywhere along the communication line, and it may be physical, sociological, or psychological in nature. So the example of noise here is the motorcycle who is passing by. That is the example of noise. Okay, understood? Okay, so the last one is context. Communication does not take place in vacuum between communicators. The process takes place in a particular communication situation where the identifiable elements of the process works in a dynamic interrelations. Example is face-to-face interaction, casual conversation, a meeting or interview. When we say context, this is the message where it takes place, where the conversation takes place. Okay? Understood? Yes, ma'am. Now, let's proceed to the nature of communication. Communication is related to human activity. When we say human activity, to our people, that they are doing communication every day. Example, they have talking anywhere. They are talking to your friends, talking to your loved ones, anywhere in this world. Is as long as we communicate, that is a human activity. Communication involves two or more parties. So when we say two or more, we can talk to one person, but can also talk to many as we can. Last one is conversation, is organization, flows in a variety of style. So when you say variety of style, there's a style of communication. First is talking to someone, just casual conversation, and then talking with using a telephone, and then a letter, to sending letter to someone, and then texting message, email, social network. That is Goodbye.